Here I am on the gate of Charles Bridge. So before I cross over, just look at this amazing gate and the area surrounding the gate. These beautiful little alleys. Oh, wow. This is not on the main Prague side. So when I cross the bridge, I'll cross into the, I guess you would say, center Prague, if that's such a thing. At least of the old city. I love this door. Wow. And by the way, this is a dessert that's very common here in Czech Republic. So people really like them. I tried them once. They're really good, but a little bit too much for me. So now I'm going to make my way across Charles Bridge, and I'll pick up the video when I see some really cool things on the bridge. Here's just outside the gate. Of course, here's the gate looking back through it. I can't zoom out anymore because I'm already zoomed all the way out, but as you can see, it's quite massive. And here's the bridge. So I'm going to start walking across the bridge. And again, I'll pick up the video where I see some really interesting statues. The floors all cobble. No cars drive over it anymore, so it's all pedestrian traffic. Wow. Amazing. Incredible. Lots of vendors, artists. Yeah, so my goal is to get across the bridge, obviously, and get into the main part of Prague. Well, lots of people here today. Wow, look at that thing. It's amazing. Incredible. Some sort of tour group here. And just have a look back. Yeah, isn't that nice? Wow, beautiful. Again, this canal, if you were to take a boat down this canal, you would end up at that restaurant where I had the beer. And then, of course, this goes right out to the river, which we're about to cross. Again, just see some pretty amazing spots. And as you can see there's little hills there. And like I mentioned before, Prague is nestled in a river valley, the main part of Prague at least. So here we're making our way across the bridge, almost across the river part. And we see a nice boat out here, river boat.
And that's the end of the castle.
Yeah, pretty cool boat. And where I had that beer is just behind that house right there. I don't see it, so maybe I'll get to see it when I walk across a little bit more. But look over here. Just look at the scenery you get from this perspective. A lot of people here today. Look at all those old buildings over there. Another beautiful old bridge. A little river island. Look at that beautiful old building right there. How neat is that? Wow. There, that's the building that is across the bridge. And there's a cathedral behind there I want to visit today if possible. Just walk over here. It's a really neat statue that I'm pointing at. A lot of people on this bridge today. Well, I mean, this is probably the most famous bridge in Prague. I don't know if I can see my little restaurant I went. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, look at that boat. Wow, cool. Yeah, so there's where I had the beer. That little tiny restaurant there. This is a great location. You can't quite see the whole bit, but it's neat. Oh yeah, there's that cathedral up there. I went there last year. Fantastic, phenomenal site. Probably won't go there today. I mean, I've already been there, so perhaps when my friends arrive, I'll go there. Looking back on the bridge here. Okay, getting close to the end. Oh, wait, by the way, yeah, there's that statue I wanted to show you. It's a pretty cool statue, actually. Lots of statues line the bridge. You see, this is a city of bridges. There's a river island and another bridge there, and there's bridges beyond that bridge. There's a couple bridges this way. If you look at the map, I don't know how many bridges it has, but there's tons of bridges. So it's pretty easy to get around the city because there's just so many ways to get across the river. A better look at the cathedral from this angle. All these beautiful statues. Okay, almost across the bridge. That tower there marks the end of the bridge. I'll be there in a couple minutes. Oh, look at this one. This is really neat statue. The lighting's not so good today because the sun's right above the camera, but hopefully you can see the statue. It's pretty nice. Wow. Gorgeous. Here's an impressive statue. Wow. Amazing. Okay. Almost at the other side. You can see some of the cool buildings even from over here, a little bit more detail. I don't want to get into people's pictures here. People are doing selfies. That's kind of neat. Oh, that is. Interesting. Okay, let me just get to... Oh, so many people around here today. It's hard to get around, folks. Wow, gorgeous. Yeah, lots of artists. People selling their wares, and we get a portrait done. Cool. Caricature. I should get the caricature done. That'd be cool. That's very beautiful, actually. Wow, a really nice job. Fantastic. I don't want to film people too long. It's kind of rude. People don't feel comfortable with a stranger filming them, so I can understand that. Okay, well, we're almost across the bridge. So that is Charles Bridge, folks. Obviously a must-see when you come here to Prague. One last look at a beautiful statue of many. And you can get a nice overview from this angle. Nice view of the cathedral up there. Of course, it's on the hill, so it's not so visible from this angle. And again, you can see the gateway over there that I just came from before. And now it's into the main part of Old Prague. There's the tower. And I'm going to go through there and see what's on the other side.